Thank you for tuning in to watch a little bit about Belter Shelter, which is a new form of tree shelter, protector, call it what you will. And as we all know, trees and shrubs need protection from herbivores, including voles, rabbits, hares, muntjac, various different sorts of deer. And of course they also need protecting from spray, because very often when new forests and new plantations happen, weeds grow around and they need to spray. So it does need some sort of plastic separation between the wild and itself. And here I'm using a cane, but you could easily use a stake. And so now the Belter Shelter product will come pre-folded, pre-made. You just pull one out. The other. So here we are with the shelter. I made this in a green tinted material, and I'm not sure you can see, but it has lots of little vents. From 300 down is not vented, and above is vented, and that allows you to be able to spray around the bottom without letting the spray get through. Now we use a silicone rubber band to go over and around the stake to secure. Now this allows for a small amount of wind rock, so that the plant knows that it's in a windy environment. What can so easily happen with a rigid tube that's fixed to the stake is that the tree is looking for extra light. It grows tall very quickly, comes out, canopies, but without the root structure or the girth, it can then easily get blown over. And some stakes and canes just don't support, particularly at 1.2 and above. So with Belter Shelter, the material is really flexible. It compacts down to be 10-15% of Tubex or similar. It's in a transparent material, so you can easily see whether the plant's growing clearly or not. It has vents, a very small cost, and it has this elasticated connection to allow some freedom. Now, these are silicone, not rubber, so they're really strong, and obviously it's hard to illustrate, but it's going to grow. It's unlikely the tree girth is going to bother it, and these will probably last for about 20 years. And would eventually break if the tree grows enough. But the other advantage of silicone is that herbivores and rodents don't like to chew it, they don't like the taste. So unlike the PVC ties that are on other shelters, this won't happen. So these won't get eaten. And then we have various other variations. Here's these can come in different heights. This is just a simple coiled sheet to act as a vole guard to replace the spiral, and again that will just expand as needed. Also in production is a bush or shrub shelter, I should say, and likewise this just fits onto the stake, and this is the largest of the Tubex shelters, and the shelter I've developed is about half as big again, and has some flexibility. Again, this is going to come in vented and unvented, Likewise with the tree shelters at 1.2, it's going to be unvented for the first half metre and then vented for the second 70 centimetres. So it's going to be 5 and 7 to make the 1.2. And that will come with 2 silicon bands to hold it to the cane and support. So now it's going to be really easy to just pull them out of their set of 50 envelopes and just simply slot it down over the stake. And because these silicons will expand hugely, it's easy just to bring it over whatever you need and enable the tree to get off to a very good start. But I hope that's been helpful. Please do phone or email any questions, and I'll be pleased to send samples and open a proper conversation with you. Many thanks for watching.